Hi Pedro, this is just a little video in response to your question on the forum because the video is going to be the best way to demonstrate this. And you asked me in the masterclass session that you were saying, how did you do that remix, the vocal effect anyway, on the remix of Norway, Governor's Daughter, which came out on Afro Art Records. So basically what I did with that was to have a vocal that I recorded, and then I went into certain points in the word and I put in a tiny loop point, and this was in a sampler contact. Now, because we're dealing with a course here that's just logic, then we're looking for a solution that you can do without having to buy anything. So, Contact's an expensive piece of software. It's well worth the investment, but if you can't afford to buy that, I've got a solution for you that's going to use a free downloadable third-party plugin. The plugin itself is a plugin called Supatrigga, and this is where you can download it from. And basically, it allows you to do a variety of different processes, including short stutters. So we're going to use that. So here's a short musical idea I've got laid down. So we've got a beat and a vocal. We're going to put that stutter effect on the vocal. So as an insert down here, audio units, we're going to come up and we've got Bram Smart Electronics Supatrigga. Here it is. A couple of settings we need to make here. Let's take all of these sliders to the left. So we're not going to bring in any kind of random action with the processes available. What I'm also going to do is set the granularity to 32 slices per measure. We're going to get a real fast repeat on there. And what happens is that we can actually use automation to bring this on at certain points. So let me go into the automation. I'm going to drop down and select Supatrigga. We're going to do instant repeat. And I'm going to draw in some automation information for this to come on. Have a listen. Bring this back. Let's put another one in here. Maybe somewhere over here. You can decide how long the repeat is lasting for by having the height at the top here. And that's when it's on, as you can see. That's when it's off down below. So you got a chance to really get in there and glitch it out. And there are some other things, of course, that you could do on here, but this is almost exactly the same as the effect that I used on that Governor's Daughter remix, but just done basically with something you can download for free and use inside Logic.